What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 4/22/2020. I'm doing our 2020 Steel City Gold Rush Vault Baseball number 3. Okay, this is a special product made by Steel City Collectibles with a bunch of buybacks in, and we're doing hit drafts with it. We're going to use random.org to determine the draft order. There's 3 cards per pack, or box, 1 card per pack, and participants are placed into that draft order by the spot they purchased, 1, 2, or 3. We're going to roll the dice. If it comes up a 2, we'll do the list 3 times. Every other number is what will random the list. Okay, it's lucky number 7, and we got Jeff P, Mike T, Russell L, 7 times here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, let me make sure it was a 7, right? Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, Jeffrey P, then Russell, then Mike T. Russell, if you're in the chat, if not, I'm going to have to pick for you, buddy. If you're in the chat, Russell, please chime in, or I'm going to have to pick for you. All right, let's go back to live cam. Let's get rid of the real time there, and we'll put our draft order up. There it is. All right, Jeffrey in the house. Jeffrey in the house. Jeffrey, boxes 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. By the way, guys, definitive hit draft. That's a Topps product, very loaded. Hit drafts are selling out fast on those too. So what box would you like to do, Jeffrey, since you have the number 1 pick, sir? Box number 3. And you got it, my friend. Kev, you'll appreciate this. I was watching Brian Christopher today. He was doing a game with tacos in it. I had to order Mexican for dinner tonight. I've been craving tacos since like 11 a.m. All right, here we go, guys. 3 in here. Jeffrey, then Russell, and Mike, you don't have to worry about anything. Okay. And my brother had to go to Taco Bell because I told him we ate, or we were eating tacos. So that's kind of funny. Yeah. So here we go, guys. Good luck. There's 3 in here. They're in a black pack, each individually wrapped. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, first card coming out. All right, you got a Roberto Clemente, 58 Topps. I'll get a better focus on this. I think it's just cool holding this card right now. I think this is freaking awesome. Bob Clemente, if you will. Really? Imagine today making Roberto go as Bob Clemente. Roberto Clemente, 58 Topps, a 5.5. That's pretty cool. So it's a BVG graded 5.5, excellent plus. That's a pretty cool card right there. Good old Bob. All right, we have a 2019 VIP Party. So 2019 Transcendent VIP Party card. Mike Trout on demand, 9.5 graded. 35 out of 83. 35 out of 83 on that Trout. So it says it's a Mike Trout. Let me get a focus on it so you can read it too. Mike Trout Transcendent VIP Party on Demand. Okay. And the last one out of this box is all right, it's out of Transcendent 2018. Transcendent Ryan Sandberg. I'll get a better focus on it here. The best I can do at this angle there. That'll work a little bit more, less light in there. All right, so we got a Transcendent Autograph Emerald 9 graded, 2 out of 15. Jeffrey wants the Russell, are you here, buddy? Jeffrey wants the Clemente. I don't blame you, buddy. That's where I'd be going, just to have one. That is sweet. All right. Russell, are you here? Jeremy B., you're not in this one. Or Kyle or somebody. Jeremy B., do you mind picking for Russell so I don't play any favorites here? Would you take the Trout or would you take the Sandberg? Kyle W., you could have the next proxy one if you want. If we need one. All right, then I'm going to take the Sandberg. That's what I was thinking. That's what I would have took anyway. It's a 10 auto on the back. And Mike, you're ending up with a 9.5 Trout that's from a VIP party, which means that there weren't too many of these handed out, buddy, from Topps On Demand. All right, so that is box 3 of the first case, guys. Thanks a lot.